Good morning, guys, and welcome back to PA Street Scene. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. I want to welcome you to my channel. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and also that notification bell. That way you can keep up with my latest content. Today I am in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania at a car show here at the Capitol Bible Church. I actually hadn't intended on going to a car event today. I was going to take the day off because there's supposed to be 2 events tomorrow. However, the weather forecast is not looking so great for those events. The one in the morning would be the spring opener for the Duck Donuts, Lancaster Cars and Coffee. And then in the evening, hopefully another Brothers Pizza Meet, which they've been steadily climbing and getting hundreds of cars, so it's always a good time. Today is a little crazy. We're going to do the car show today until it ends around 3. Then I'm heading down to York College for their annual drag show that I help out with. Not cars, actual drag queens. So it's a little bit of a departure from car stuff. But we're going to head down there, and there's also a queen down there that wants to take some photos with the car, so that'll be a lot of fun. And then after that, before I came to the car show, I stopped and got some supplies at AutoZone for the next project I want to handle with the car. So I think tonight's a good night to do that, weather permitting. I have something fun planned for the graffiti since I have to keep it a little while longer, but I did want to change it up a bit, so I'm excited for that. But I need to stop rambling, and we need to get some montage footage. I was going to do this one more vlog style, but after arriving at the show, I'm realizing it's more of a hot rod show. I'm a little out of place here, but everybody's been really nice. So it's going to be a montage like normal, but it's going to give me a chance to kind of do it a little differently this time around. So I'm excited for that, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I just finished the show in Harrisburg at the church. It was kind of okay, kind of small. I was the only import car there, so it didn't really go too long. It went till about 3, and they didn't give away trophies. They just give away door prizes. But now we're in York, and I'm at the York College campus for their annual drag show. Behind me you'll see Miss Jade DeVere.
Hi everyone!
Jade's a dear friend of mine and has been for many a year. So
Gross.
It is. It's disgusting.
We don't admit to that in public.
Well, this isn't public. It's college.
Oh, right.
And nobody remembers the college experience anyway.
You know you're putting this online, right?
Yeah, maybe. But we did some photos with her that you'll be able to see on my Instagram and hers as well. Follow her at Jade DeVere, JadeDevere.
It's DeVere with a big D and a big V. Bye.
It is. Thank you, Jade. So I'm going to go in and watch the drag show, and I will see you guys in a little bit when it gets dark out for the project I want to try tonight. It looks like the weather's going to hold out. It may rain. I'm hoping not, so keep those fingers crossed. And I'll see you in a couple minutes.